Hi everyone, welcome again. So it's time to fix this motherboard. I have recovered this from scrap and it has some blown capacitors. I haven't connected it, but we're going to change them and hopefully we will have a better motherboard for the Pentium 4 machine. We will have to recap everything. We have here the capacitors. Now we are going to mark them on the other side with this marker so we can get a solder on them and nice and hot and then unsolder them. Hopefully they come out easily. So if you can see, there you go. There's a leaking one, there we have another one, and we have these ones. There's one there, but I'm going to change all of them, all 5 of them, down there. There we go. You can see the bulging. So let's see what capacitors we have here. We are not going to change all of them, I think. I bought these quite a while ago. Let's see what we have and 3300 microfarad, yeah. I think these are all the same, 5 of them. How many volts? 6.3 and 1000 microfarad, 6.3 volts. So we have 10 and 5. Pretty good. Let's see. How many can we change? So clearly we have this one. Just a little dot. Then this one and beside it. I think there are these 2. 3. Oh, this is bulging up. 1000 microfarad, yes, 6.3, same one. This one back here, and then these ones here as well. 1, 2, 3 more. 1, 2. This one. Okay, look here, the color of the board with temperature, how it has changed. Let's zoom in. I don't know if you can see, it's like brownish here compared to there. See? So pretty hot, this motherboard. In the past, we'll see now in the future, is this part. So that's why the capacitors got hot as well. These ones. I don't know, these 3 of here, I will leave them there. They are looking good, so I don't know if take them all and measure them all is quite a lot of work. So we are going to change the ones that are very bad and power it on and see the voltages and all that with a trusted PSU. Let's take out this battery so there's no kind of voltage or something on the board. There we go. And let's start taking out capacitors. First, look, we have these stands. Okay, there we go. We need to add some fresh solder so we can take it out properly. Let's start with this one. Okay, it was here, marked. My extractor. I'm going to zoom in so we all can see in detail. See, I think it didn't work. Oh, it's pretty difficult to get out. Okay. There we have one. So this is not enough. The magic pistol. Yeah, pretty difficult. I think I will have to use the hot air. I don't think it's working. I think I have to do the old classic. Put it sideways. Okay, let's do that. I will hit it both ways. Yes. So here I have the new one. Here the old one. Ah, 1500 microfarad. ESR 0%. Whoa. It should be 1000 microfarad. There we go with the new one. $11,000. ESR 0. You know, low ESR, supposedly. That's very low. Let's put it on and leave the comedy for another time. Ah, there you go. It passes through nice. We have to wait for the solder to get in. Just leave it a second so the capacitor doesn't get very hot. Ah, I didn't turn on my fan. It's a big solder, so I think it's going to be okay. There we go. Have to continue on soldering capacitors. We are going to use the same method. It's kind of weird, but it is what it is. Turn this on. Have come off. There you go. Another one. There you go. Where is it? Another one. This one. Go. Pretty easy. I'm going to add solder to everyone. Okay. This was 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yes. There we go. Okay. Better. There we go. 4 more. Is there someone missing? You must all go out. 1, 2, 3, 4, 7. So those are the ones that are looking bad so far. So here we have a failing one. It shows us a resistor. So this is not good. Let's see one of the other ones that was not bulging, but I'm going to change it anyways. Capacitor 16 microfarad. Whoa, that's really off. Another one. Capacitor 4300. Okay, it's off. That's nice that we changed them. What more? Capacitor 4400, and it's 3300. So they are all off. There's just one more. 4200 ESR 0.19 ohms. So hopefully with the new ones we will be better. Let's see what we have in the new ones. 3900 microfarad. This is better. So okay, let's continue with the unsolder process. Okay, that looks good. Let's turn off this. I think we have them. It looks good, so I'm going to put the capacitors and solder everything. Going to cool the gun. Okay, let's solder everything. Let's cool a little bit. Pretty warm. You're looking good. Let's continue. Cutting out the leads. Okay, and to keep all these little tips or terminals from the components, they come handy for fixing traces and all that. So there we go. Let's make a little cleaning. First the soldering joints. If this turns on, I'm going to check this fan and lubricate it, and also change the thermal paste for this heatsink. So let's go. So here I have another processor for this socket. We're going to put the battery back in. So here I have got the heatsink with the cooler. It has a broken leg here, but it doesn't matter. Just for testing is okay. I have this NVIDIA Vanta card, AGP. I know it's working good. Also the PSU. Here it is. Thermaltake 600 watts. More than enough. So let's start putting the heatsink. I need a memory. Kingston 1 gigabyte. Yes. There we go. Some thermal paste. Just a little bit. Oh, there it is. Okay. Here it goes. Put this like this like that. Put a zip tie to hold that. Looks good. Let's see. Yes, we have clamping. I will leave this right here. We have connected our cooler, video card, and our PSU. I have to take this and to focus directly, zoom in a little bit. Here is our keyboard connected. I'm going to turn it on, and if it turns on, I will film with my other camera from my cell phone. Okay, hopefully it won't turn on fire. I'm going to turn on the power supply. Okay, do we have any lights? I'm forgetting something. This one. Turn it off. There it is. Power is the red one here. Let's turn it on again. Okay, it's on. So far so good. Screwdriver. Okay. No post, but we have. It is working so far now, I think. Oh, maybe I have to connect this for the AGP. Let's see if I turn this off. Force shutdown. Yes, so it's responding. Let me turn this off. Let's put that Molex. Okay, maybe the memory. DDR1, 2, 3. I think we are good. Okay, let's go again. So no image. Maybe the RAM memory. Let's put a speaker. Let's see if we have any codes. Plus. Okay. Whoa. That's interesting. Okay. What happens if I put it? Is this hot? Yes, I think. Let's see. Maybe the memory. Okay. Let's see if we have no memory. Wow. Still the same. Okay. Let me see. Oh, we have a different beep. Maybe. Let me put this video card again. Oh, I think, yes! Yes! We are posting. We are posting. Yes, there we go. It has post. This cooler is very bad, but this is very nice. Let's put this centered. This is very good. Yes! Victory. Okay, here is our BIOS. our Intel i875P HEP set, main processor, Intel CPU 2.4. Great. I don't know what's that. The patch, ID, memory testing, 1 GB, perfect. We don't have any drive, so let's see BIOS, what we have here. Delete. Let me see if we can see any temperatures. PC health. There we go. 55 degrees. It's time to take care of that cooler, but this is looking promising. This is looking very good. 3.3 volts, okay. P-core. This looks very good. So we have a working motherboard. Going to turn it off. This is very cool. This works. How nice. I'm going to drain the capacitors. There we go. So we can unplug everything. We can test another HEP card. We're going to change motherboards, obviously. And that's nice. So the motherboard is very dirty and we're going to clean everything. Let's take out our memory, take out this. That's a story for the other processor. Let's take out this heatsink. Let's see how it's this from the other side. Oh, we have some little clips. There we go. Oh, is this solid? Oh, it's very dry and crunchy. Okay. It's very bad. This is all mucky. It's horrible. It's gone bad and it's like jelly. It's a marmalade there. I will take out the cooler so we can clean it afterwards. Maybe I have to wash the heatsink. There we go. This goes away. Here we have our cooler. Leave it aside. This is so bad, I'm going to clean it in another place. Terrible. I'll be right back. So I've got off that jelly, that marmalade. Now let's give it a final cleaning with IPA. So we don't have any grease or something. Let's see this one. Let's go for the cooler. The brush, I'm going to clean it right here. The inside of the blades. Let's see how much zoom can we make. There we go. Max. going to clean everything, and one drop in there, it's very difficult. So there it is. Hopefully the sticker will stick again. I think it's pretty good. Let's put it again on the heatsink. Goes like that. GA-8X. Okay. Let's see if that's true. Here we have our little cooler. It's mounted back again. Let's put some thermal paste here. Just a little. Hopefully that's okay. I messed it up here a little. Let's put back our heatsink. There it is. There we go. Now we have to mount it to our new system. So I've cleaned the motherboard, and as you can see, it's better. So yes, it's looking pretty good. So here we have this system. We're going to change our motherboard, and yes, I had some comments about the case brand, so that's nice. It's a pretty nice case. Let's continue the upgrade. Okay, so here we have our old system. It's pretty neat though. So let's take out the motherboard and the memories and the processor, and then mount them in this one. Okay, let's go. This cable, floppy drive, the front panel here. There it is. PSU and IDE cable, video card. You have this latch and the screws. Okay, are we missing any screw? I think not. There we go. You can see the difference. It's quite obvious. More memory banks, but we only can put up to 4 gigs of memory, so the distribution should always match maximum of 4 gigabytes. PCI slots, we have one more, and we have our AGP Plus, AGP Pro, and a power connector for more power. I don't have the backplate for this, so it's going to be like that. Let's change the processor and put it here. We have unplugged the fan of the heatsink. Now we have this system that I don't like, where it grabs with plastic. But there we go. Now Let's open here. Let's clean it first. There we go. Oh yes, we can change. This goes like that. Let's clean the heatsink as well. There it goes. Let me change the memory banks. DDR1 Gigabyte, 400 megahertz. So top speed. There we go. I think both orange connectors are good. There we go. 2 gigs of memory. Now we can leave this nice guy aside. Some thermal paste, of course. Let's put the heatsink. Here we have our fan connector. There we go. Roll this a little bit, just like so. There it is, and clamp. There we go. Nice. I was forgetting something. A new battery for CMOS and BIOS settings. There it is. Let's zoom out and continue the installation. Here we have. There we go. Have to take our other backplate. It's not the same, as you can see. We have 4 USB, Ethernet, 2 serial, parallel, PS2 connectors, and audio. Let's see if let's go this way. I think we have the same mounting screws. Here we are missing one. We can add it. So it's bigger. We have these ones we need to put on as well. These 3. I'm going to put more mounting, and this one is not going there. Okay, yes. Okay, let's modify this. So now we are right. Let's mount the motherboard. Finally. Okay, last screw. So let's start connecting first our USB, front USB. Okay, so power switch, red one. There we go. reset switch beneath it. HDD LED, our LED, seems here, and our speaker. There it goes. Front panel is connected. Now the hard drive, SATA 0. There we go. Then we have our floppy and our CD. There it goes. Optical drive, IDE 1, the red one. Now we have to connect our power. There you go. We will need a video card. We will use this FX 5200 legendary card. So we need to move this one. We could use another card here, obviously, but I don't have one right now. Maybe in the future. So I am forgetting to connect the Molex connector. Let's see. I don't know if that's necessary, but we're going to test it. There we go with the floppy. Let's go with our video card. There we go. So everything is connected now. Yes. Let's go to BIOS. 2 gigabytes. Dual channel. IDE drives. Oh. Didn't detect the hard drive. Give me 1 second. This connector is going to see if I have another cable. Just a red one. Feels better. Yeah. Let's try again. Let's go to BIOS. Okay, here is our hard drive. Everything is good. Our DVD drive. Let's put our date. Okay, save and exit. Yes. There's no more booting. Okay, let's try to install Windows XP again. Boot from CD. Okay. We go. Continue. I don't have. Oh, that's just okay. 3. What's happening? That's pretty odd. It's detected. On chip SATA. Manual. There we go. ID primary master. I have to put the CD-ROM as slave. Okay, wait. CD-ROM has to be slave. So there is no conflict. There we go. Here we have our master, 500 gigabytes, and our DVD. Now it's correct, it's our master. Okay, and let's see if we can boot directly to the hard drive. Save and exit. Let's see. No, it's not working, so maybe we have to need update BIOS. It's version FF. I have my compressor going off next to my room, so sorry for the noise. But with the coolers, it's like the same, don't you think? Come on, you can do it. Yes! I could repair it. Let's see if I could repair. What? What happened? Maybe we have to format everything and reinstall it. No? Okay. Let's go again. Oh, I should have deleted everything. Never try to fix your Windows. That's the lesson. Okay, CD-ROM. Save and exit. Let's put it again with the floppy, because then I will try to update BIOS. We have our CD-ROM and our hard drive. Save and exit. Let's go again. Have to be patient with these systems. It's just like that. Don't repair. Now we're going to delete partition. Yes. Delete. It's all in Spanish. Create partition. Enter. Install. Format using NTFS system, but the fast mode. There we go. I will catch up with you when this is done. So, it's installing now. Everything is working good. It continues. So, there we go. Here we are. Let's see how we are going with our devices. We are missing our Ethernet card and our sound card. The video card has been recognized, but we're going to install a newer version of the driver. But first I need to update BIOS. Let's see this. I think we have to change the floppy drive. Pock, 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 pock. Chicken noises. That's the only thing I hear. Okay, let me just install another floppy drive. Let's take out the floppy drive. There we go. Have this comfortable tray. Okay. There we go. We have some tabs. There we go. Okay. Connected. Let's turn it on with our floppy. So we have some movement, but it doesn't read the drive. I don't know why. If I hit enter again, it tries to read, but it doesn't. So here I have a working drive. Let's zoom in. Escape. Great. This is good. We'll put it in and continue. So here we have our floppy drive reading. Let's update BIOS. So here we are. We're going to try and load path file name. Oh, that should do it. Okay. Yeah. There we go. Restart and have a new BIOS. We'll see. Yes. FJ. So I have updated the computer and we have all the drivers up to date. As you can see, we have our latest NVIDIA driver. There we go. Also, I have downloaded this GPU Z, so you can see here that we are running at Gigabyte. That's very good. We have 128 megabytes of memory, bus width 128 bit, I don't know if that's good, and a GPU clock of 333 megahertz. So that's nice. Then this HW info. Okay. Oh, nice. Here we have as well our GPU at 8X. Then we have our motherboard, Gigabyte 8IK1100. Then our processor here, Intel Pentium 4, 3 gigahertz, Prescott. We have L1 cache 12 plus 16, and then 1 megabyte of L2 cache. Very good, this. And then we have our sensors. Here we have our core voltages, core clock, memory. That's pretty cool. Then here we have our temperatures of the motherboard. 25 degrees, 27, pretty low. Dim voltage 2.5, 3.3, it's 3.2, almost on point. 5 volts is on point, 12 volts as well. Battery 3.2, that's great. Then we have the drive temperature, 28 degrees. Here we have our GPU, we can see the frequency, but we don't have any temperatures. So here is running Half-Life, pretty good.
Good morning and welcome to the Black Mesa Transit System. This automated train is provided for the security and convenience of the Black Mesa Research Facility personnel. The time is 8:47 a.m. Current topside temperature is 93 degrees with an estimated...
Yes, this works perfect. PC Mark 2002. Let's go. So here is our result. We have a CPU score of 6301. Memory score 10,872. Okay. So everything is working now. And everything is fine. Looking very good. Very promising. Time to test more games. And that kind of stuff. Yes, pretty fun. Hope you had a good time, and if you want, you can leave a like and subscribe. Thank you for watching and see you in the next one.